Plumbing rebates are money given back to you by your city, your utility company, or the government when you install water-saving or energy-saving plumbing fixtures, like low-flow toilets, efficient water heaters, or smart leak detectors. You usually apply after the purchase and installation, submit your receipt and proof, and then you get a check or a credit on your utility bill. Think of a rebate like a reward for saving water and energy, kind of like a coupon you get after you already bought something instead of before. Cities want people to use less water because it saves everyone money and protects the water supply, so they pay you back a little bit for choosing better fixtures. For example, if you install a toilet that uses way less water per flush, your water company might send you $25 or $50 back just for doing it. Something a lot of people do not know is that many utility companies also offer rebates for fixing leaky pipes early, not just for buying new fixtures, because a small leak can waste thousands of gallons a year. Another hidden gem is that some cities stack rebates, meaning you can combine a city rebate with a state or federal one and end up getting back way more than you expected. The key is timing, because most programs require you to apply within a certain number of days after installation, sometimes as short as 60 days. One common mistake people make is throwing away the receipt or the box the fixture came in, and then they cannot prove the purchase. So always take a picture of your receipt the same day you buy it. Another big misconception is thinking every plumber knows about every rebate program, but that is not true, so it is smart to check your local water district website yourself before you start the project. A lot of folks also forget that rebate funds run out each year on a first-come, first-served basis, so applying early in the year gives you a much better shot at actually getting paid. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.